elsewhere. Warorire. Let me ask you, Donyan's salary was in 5 times, CMC was in 10 times. Actually, it was in 10 times. Does it mean that he cannot mobilize wounds? He can use money. The senator was there. Does it mean that the senator Miyake Agambire 20, he cannot mobilize wounds? I didn't Agambire Bako. He cannot. My wisdom, Nerego, Abantum Bako, Taraneka, Yakaberi. You know, a second thought is very important. That's a thought that makes decisions. Before you act, number one, before you act, do this. That is the second thought. So always the second thought is right. Noroche. Bono, umo senator ito moskemo maima. Ono monto bwate experience esabant bon speaker in parliament by karansere roiga. In fact Kenya ngima aba isoka ba ita number 1 was 2. Esabant ba servir for long. Usinere currently is the one. Obeiro mogaka. Maiteka kwa obeiro mogaka ebinto mbiro korengererie kegaka. And always the decisions are right. Probably nabayare wo chakaba abuna nchebono am a young person ngabono nkonde terode chugun na chose nkonda mobilize because I have money. I mobilize mine. Ninde kerogo nanje I mobilize. I have money, I mobilize. What the next what? It's bloodshed. Kwarar. So injiri yiga bantu bakwenga inanga babata monopoly of violence. Idi wanajidanganya. Nchebono nje nkorukia mo kama ward. Nyari bari Masaba constituency. Mbona bwana njenko boli nde bwana bochumbe bwa nyari bari Masaba constituency. Nanye na harabo de bwana ne ria gatano ngo chikoboli chikura. Ndamusi yoko soetebe. Kinko imokange ende no bwa bakiamo kama seitari within the village seito maremani yali. Nkingo cherno bwa. No mobilize abantu. Abantu bagote ngaengo chegiyore senator because tanya gokoraki. Oyo kono yo tanya gutwara violence. Stop that nonsense. Na abantu ba minto mba gwanjongire kiara. No mobilize. Na bantu ba minto mba yora mobilize ari maremani bacha kondwani. They will never do that. Unless people from outside. And if they come from outside, they will be shown by my people on the ground that you are strangers, you are foreign objects here. So we must evict you from here. So eviction tingo manyana kirabe, usene yebiranya, usene yogote bingora igora kini kuikebe yebiranya. Because when you go to violence, then you know sometimes people like me, I'm not violent. But if you show me violence, I just study your violence, then I upgrade your violence, I refer the violence back to you. So I will never know what is the repercussion. Because that is what you have started. No, Roger. But we don't want to go to that direction. Tikatukuwa ne munabarai. Totebi abantu baminte yente kene, tobatei violence nembe, uiterania manyinga ne bibe, ne kebe, ninde, negesiomba, ase amangana yomugusi, ose ase a tradition yomugusi. So binte biga, bintu biri abari, I condemn it to the strongest terms possible. Na inde donya na ro, no, he is alive, let me tell you. The development wise, she's alive. That is why she's fought. To go itamondo tayo, nkikuruwa ni mondo tayo. Mondo itabugati ene danger to you, political danger zinjia so azare. Okuruwa ni mondo ro ure moyo kora magendro. Bantori abange bakuruwa ni go. Mbari bare bwa magendro. Bono, bi mondo mbiri bitaruwa ni go bantu babatenga ku gatike. Tikato ikete batokaraki. Tokarusio. So mondo takuruwa ni go sa. Donya is very strong. That is why she's fought. Kwara ebo simo botonya jiko tono ni abantu goita kobeka everywhere ine ge komoita na marawato njire kyako nyako twaga goita bantu ndo bwato boremeru cyo buminto na kyako bori gutari kende donya kapasiri agachikatenga bona tigato na abana bari batakapia kintakana kintakapi na yakabesanga yo yego bahatane no nya na nyono tsingi 500 ni nebe sana kiye komoita bono iga akorra na nyene kwere no no ditikweri nyanya go office ya donya that is wago itunga ayenga ikwaruete otari ko ibana ene siringi obota ka tobu soko that is the reason amwe musio yo kama police abantu murange no go chana nchundangiri atebenga kinki akorire kwarore ko so murangiri ni coordinator ya yo nyirangiri chu akoruroja onyanja ba question niga aba kusiba minto barore na ki iki akorina kigre kia kodi na kieke tukiri yiri tukirore orore gusena no gocha nache tabanda baganya kuogaga bosa kene ngeyo go to the ground just try to do kwende evaluate their work konyoranga kene ngikore no munu pia abande bari koro kaka. That is why bakanda ne chinungu because a ground is very hostile. They have done nothing on the ground. That is why they go with wounds. Now we are not going to allow that. A government we keep okay. Na abantu bari kwenda kuchunguswa. Nakia abantu baje mgasoro ne chinungu echingo bakorete because they were similar. It seems that those rungus were bought from somewhere, then distributed to those wounds. They appeared on the ground where the event was. Na ende tikatuska matanga ya abantu nto baise kogende njire kabireyo ngabono ngabona hainayo manyete segi hainayo koreta ki job. Let me tell you, Muhammad Gaddafi was a mafia in terms of fighting, but where is he? Saddam Hussein, where is he? He was a mafia. He was a very strong person. He was a terrorist. Where is he? Ako wapi? Abantu oyo ndoyo ngakiare ko rukoyo ko bomb everywhere. Osama onta yora mwikere Osama ngana terrorist. Where is he? Na yo goja na kanunguga kende nke yo tato nyetora iko karagasi buya utatolewa. You see, go work, concentrate, go on your manifesto, see, revise it, refist, see what you promised the people, mark one by one that this is what I promised the people. I've done this. Number one. Number two, I come to number two. I promise people this. You mark. You do this. Instead of concentrating, fighting, go to your manifesto, read it, revise it, revise it. Then, start working on it. If you come to people, tell people, I promise you this. Number one, I did. Number two, I did. Number three, I did. Next financial year, we are going to do this and that. So that at the end of 5 years, we could have accomplished what we promised you people. So that people can again re-elect you. Tariya mangana ya violence. Violence is not in any of the elected leaders' manifesto. What is there is development. But when you fail to do development, you bring some fights, some funny activities, so that people cannot have a chance to ask you. But they will ask you through the ballot. And they will vote you out. And you will never be elected again until you are dimas from this earth. Yeah.
Montumurulia on Lizzy TV natanda usanga nere omoske Vincent Gekone oyo obera kwa milia kirokyo bosene tanapo igoni gari ase ensemeria ya bali bakumulekira obokoleri gwe serikali ye chi county ane mwana asakumulekira serikali ye county ya Kisebe sangana amangenente kwende bunatoko chatwate banga ntubu na Lizzy TV ntorueto bosibole ase abageni baito busanga naintwe keli barengera tinabo igo okwanira amangana alyalengete siasa askolende ekibago kwana taligo tenena kwa Lizzy TV nebirengerelio byabo unabo tambi asego oko nogosika tobayate nabo igo kubwatikana nogosibole ase ense yaito ya Kenya abuno turajuchira ase umutimoko omoke kolende ntobeto kuirana nomugene ito astora kumulekera amange anemono alyalengete siasa ime na isiko yorogongo rwagusi tobasa gusuka tobasa konyegera kwena tori ase kritari ege tambe
Lizzy TV Ubwansu Bwumugusi Supermarket ya Kisi Mart bono nigo bachakiro murubulyo bwoko ni ebintu ki wholesale buna maguta yugo karangira chinyeni obusi bwokuruga chi diapers ne chi tissue chi sabuni body oils ebinywegwa esukari ebikoroto nebintu binde binge naboigo nkoni abalichianga chinyange chi bag chi carpet ebitanda emeito ne chi pillowcase chi mesa nebirugo office furniture nebintu byogutumika jikoni buna cookers, table burners, toaster ovens na microwaves, chi dispenser, cordless kettle, washing machines nebintu binde binge. No bali miyo muchukisi opposite Kwanza Place ebare kogenda daraja mbili Kisi Mart Supermarket, the only man saver in town. Kuikira bono ayabuno mwagachi kwa manyire duka okogenda kujia bintu byose biriyo kolere mirimo yawo. Osmo Traders Limited niko babwate chitali chokwaranse ase nyumba yawo nabo igokobeka senyasi bune babu egikoni living room nabo igo echikobe kwisiko babwate sanitary wares buna chising chibakuri chete chochonsi showers, towel holders, soap dishes, racks, mirrors na hand basins. Chirangi chonsi chiria chikuburukanibwa ne computer nabo igo chiri spray paints no chire mbabwate chipboard buna chips and boards, MDF boards na chip boards. Ebinto au biogakora plumbing buna PVC joints, PVC pipes na chi water taps chonsi no chire boigo na bokugura chi curtain rods, hood screws, chigulu chonsi, door locks, chi pipe wrench spanners, screwdrivers. Banyore old Sansura building angena Kisi main bus stage gusua Kisimi ase namba enotisano nebire eye mokianda inyeisano enotinye inyeisano nemo. Osmo Traders Limited, customer satisfaction guaranteed.
Kisi Family Medical Center ni nyagatari ya kirero iyo kurobo koreri au iryogo koenekeria afyenkia. Ngoro robo koreri buno koringori wa maiso na koena nebirore korigereria maino obo koreri bwe laboratory mbabwate duka ya mariogo bo igongo korabare physiotherapy. Ngwanchira bare insurance chiko bwatia NHIF, Minute, Liason Group, Madson Group, KCB, Area ya Cooperative Bank, Teacher Service Commission, CIC Insurance, National Police Wose Prison, GA Insurance, Resolution Insurance, MTBA, Trident Insurance, na Boygo Star Discovery Insurance. Nigo bago toka Samagacha New Sansoram barabara nestejene ne yechigari egoroba entangani. Asamanke bakire simi wetrase namba 0758770764. Kisi Family Medical Center, your health our responsibility.
no mwana w'icanga cha mitumba kireki abana amo n'abantabanere na nigota gitego kinyorageka kyange bono Mama Tefi Mitumba Bells nigo akorobeire sabari ntambe asago kireteire gisiri na munwa
no Mama Tefi Mitumba egotogotoka se Imperial Building igero opposite St Jude na ende RBN Family Bank. Mama Tefi ntubwate bintu mbalimbali bya mitumba bona bono chianga chi abana ntubwate chi household ntubwate chi wood ntubwate chi jacket ntubwate towels. We have all types of products chi mitumba baka ntubwate bikoro tobone ganto introduce ti bikoro to na some slippers crocs igo toko barangeli munyara ko mogoja sama Mama Tefi Mitumba munyara ko mo kwenyorera emisigo ya Canada grade 1 karo watire Mama Tefi Mitumba ntubwate obosemia ntobanetia baligereri bali siko bali batato chake biashara bachicha sama Mama Tefi Mitumba elinde banyare ko bakonyora oboseminga nakiba wanete bachake biashara bya mitumba inki batakire bakore ko bwate chiri busta na 500 sama Mama Tefi Mitumba kwanyorere karo kere number 1 elindo nyare ko bagokwanda na karoki kenyare ko bagego gokonya
atarere imeyumu cy'umusongo ase nyumbiri ya Imperial eyo jirigeraneti amune nyumba ya St Jude ground floor room number 1 na number 2 akesi mina kubeka ehoda ya holero Mama Tefi Mitumba Bells
abiro kama Mama Tefi Mitumba Bells aido bag mabera at a low price bada wewe welcome Uchakia woseko gendrea obonchorebo abwa mitumba injumu Mama Tefi Mitumba Bells.
Mpendwa
mpendwa msikilizaji, ni Daktari Mama Nakaima, daktari wa mitishamba, daktari kutoka pale Ukambani. Kliniki yangu ama ofisi yangu inapatikana pale Kisii Nyamatalo Junction. Nasaidia kwa mashinda kama vile ugonjwa ya UTI, kisonono, kifafa, tumbo inakusumbua kila saa, kichwa inakuuma kila saa, miguu inakusumbua kila saa, macho inakusumbua kila saa, na upande wa kizazi nayo nashughulikia. Yani wenye wanapata mimba kama zinatoka, mwenye akona infection sehemu ya siri nayo nashughulikia, mwenye hana nguvu ya kiume nayo tunashughulikia, na upande wa ndoa yani mapenzi tunashughulikia wenye wametengana na wenye wana yani customers kupitia biashara yao nayo nashughulikia, na mashinda mengi sana. Kwa maelezo zaidi ni 0757102581 0757102581. Karibuni kwa kliniki.
Omugusi ine kwabiri gukuriye skuru ngiya asura abikira umwana gucingikero cingiye cy'amasomo bono skuru ya Sister Mikaela Girls Secondary School yuko tukase bara ya Kisii Oyugis angena Cardinal Tunga High School Musocho naryo lichibuliao niko babwati birasi biya ebigare asabana bagosomera buya ebyo birebiceno asibuko babwati nyomba cyo kurara cingiye nande cinceno kirage aboro kiko bagosoma se skuru ye niko bali abaceno naboigo babwate cimbo cingiye kirage abali bagosoma se skuru ye niko babwate bamanyi bigoro ase otawwenga mwano takonyora semi cingiya mbabwate computer lab eyurengiya asabana bagutumeka ci computer kwemanya naboigo gosomera mbabwate boigo science lab asabana bagokora megilidege science eyubwate bintu byonsi asumwana waranya rumanyi boigoro niko babwate library ngiya ase bitabu bicire ebyo umano aranyore cisemi elyo asaserie asajiga nigaragiya akomwana mazingira maya yogosomera niko boigo bagukina ci talent cyabana asibabwate scouts music group nemecheso ao onyolenga aikabuigo niko bako kinyo mwano kebo Kristo asamange batale na kobakira esimi agirera muretu mwano anyora masomo aigoro
Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi.
Mwanchumulilia ondizi chivi kwa nwene ase entunda yende entunda ya mwelio imeyumuroberio wenza kiastone tukusanga nomogeni icho umuske Vincent Gekone anemono igoro ya manangana alengete siasa tobe tukusanga mange igoro ya uteneneli wa serikali ye county ya Kisii ase bono boigo turatu kumulikira boigo aliandrete ime yense echo ya Kenya. Mheshimiwa tutakoranga nigo umurai Vincent Dr. William Ruto abaga kubuna e cabinet yaye ekarabya kubuna e kamati elia y'abawaziri akaba gago chora abawaziri ao tima think yora yokwanira anemono igoro yobocholi bwaba waziri anemono ime ye cabinet yaye.
Ritangani Moraria, I give congratulations to one Honorable Migosi Ogamba as appointment as the next CS, as a CS nominee or awaiting approval by Parliament of Kenya. naende ngo muganiria maya akore gasi ngiya naende akorere omokenya omogima naende rende buno mogusi atebete ng'a nabo okoeneria enego buna mogaka professor riria akorete naye nabo ogokora boigo no mogaka naye gwachire mogaka machogu naye twakoganeiria maya ntogoteba ng'a tokoreti kende pi naye Yesu kware kunyara gotema mogaka ngwatemete tiga no mongwana onera arakoraki arakebwatira abu tore gusena sukinere Kenya amono mogusi
tutukita singani yogamba toito koranga abakenya bangi bakwimurikira asobo imeke rugulo none sinyomba choburaria ingana yabete okwanero ane namo nakiekunyarikana omokonyi oje Ezekiel Machogwa asobo choribwa eta nerobete ikagochorwa igoro chinga koboko kwa Machogo nguyu asobo choruka migosi
bono manyete tigango tebio bokene na kero muntu nabwate human heart togonte ngo chiko choro mokone nganjontige nchitindo chiko sokoba kwa mugako ingoro koboko kwa mugako ina bokora benkobo naende egento kiare komata ngake performance yagere naende na creating sikia ochire korunse intelligence yo maetenero ko rigereriere yatenga mugako to baisa kumwira ninkekerabe probably bakanyora ngari tandiko retiki ndiyo buyaigo naende bagateba bono ngakitogokora mutokoreta urio tabe ngana bwateke mwakende baka umaito ogamba tanya gochoru despite the fact ngago chobori chikura naende ogenda obori bako bujumbe asa understand ogenda ogamba no muwakili so monta yo manyete mangana aye monta yo nyako iguskando ya yandons that is why achoretwe ngoyo igana achoru bantu mbago complain kwarorire buna bono igo marari kwambori nganga ki ogachoro ko iko kware kwerende mbwaterani buna bona bari bairanete mbabwate getiro because nana bakanya abanyane bangire nkyo koiraneria aba abo barusi kwarore na ndingi kwaba buterete in the first thing kanga bona yaba tigetaria ane mu bari bande ani bute bari bande atigaba bande bono aba bonsi tigabagende egerete rorekananga nki aba bakoraki bairanera na abana bakuiranana kateruta banda bonsi mbamubwate seti one next time mwana mbaje kumubwate seti because na baro mbwata kame anyo Machogu na bwata kama nditi kaega keigo onye nkuria na abwate onye noyo na abwate bari kwenda bonsi kwarorire ekera bachire bonsi bono rende batenga no nyo babute tu bonsi bono nabo monta gosekera ruka Machogu gosekera igoze gazi ya gosinya onye ndiri kware ngo makomwe gazi nkoira ngoze kanga ngwiranete aye ngwa sinyuka ruo kwarorire so it is to shame them tikabonsi bakora kibagende na even ko approve inde kwende na inde gochoro gongabetu buya tuisukurigireri barachi tribe irenga tori we have 42 tribes a tribe ya monero rechora bantu zen batano gozensta that we can't agree yeah we must at least have a balance onye bono onye bani ko bwati county na ndu tikanya miregwe onye if they were following counties let us also give Nyamira ni go down here so inchege ndondoche kere kabira tigera anyora kwanza biri bigo tigara bamanye kwebagera bari babere pati kabira yamote kwa bantu batano kabira kinde nchiyo pi eyendera ka muntu yo moyomo it is not possible and again I appeal to the Parliament of Kenya can you approve abantu bari omuntu yo moyomo kabira tiyeta kere kwa baibere more than 2 people abande mbayo kine kitoko teba regional balance constitutionally even the constitution states so that the regional balance it is a must and regional balance we mean kero montaña orega kegake na be region era be demarcated in terms of regions like the previous una bana ndo bwate regional was regional police commander whatever iganyansa let us then to be ke bona chibe chi region kwarorire was to be ke county ese njonjiri chinyinge to be ke nchiranere chirabekwe but not nga ekabire yemo abara abantu batano it's unacceptable tigatoirane totebena ki onye toko ba kere kabiro yo moyo ri bana tiga chi ministry chimento ko chi ministry chitamento chiri chitanyoreti mba nyora aba PS bagende to those tribes chitakoraki chitanyora so that it can satisfy regional balance but without that then we are not satisfied with that list unless and otherwise we are told like here kwerende nini parastatal heads, you saw them. Ekabira ya mayo kakuru bakanse. Ekina kikerete na ni kise gichoro gichajensi street. We cannot accept only one tribe to lead us, whereby we are 42 tribes. And if we leave that tribe to vote for themselves, they will never win any seat in terms of presidential. Or if they are comfortable enough, let them take everything. And they can we are voters. We are not second-hand Kenyans here. We are original Kenyans. Inchonya ninche mama na tata na haba gusihi. Baraba Kenya. Both my grandparents from maternal and paternal, they are Kenyans, meaning I am a Kenyan. An original Kenyan. I'm not a second-hand Kenyan. Mama taru ito Buganda. Acha ko nyomu Kenya. Mama Kenya aru ita kanyomu no Kenya. So that qualifies me to be pure Kenyan. So when I'm a pure Kenyan, I should not be isolated. No, our community is not supposed to be isolated. They are supposed to be counted in terms of resource mobilization, resource distribution, and everything, because we also pay taxes that pays these people. And if that is the case, that we cannot be considered, and a community will never be considered, only a certain clique of our community it is considered. Let them pay tax. We stop paying tax. Let them elect themselves. We stop voting. Let them rule against us. Then we stop everything. Anye kiri boigo. Obo PS. Kabira kita anya keire. Te vai sakoi gunaendo bo minister. Kabira kita anya keire bo minister. Te vai sakoi gunaendo bo PS. Let us have regional balance. So that all these demonstrations, all this hatred, all this politics, all this whatever, these fights, it will stop if we will have regional balance in terms of everything in this country, because we pay tax, we do everything that community also does. So let us have regional balance.
Erebuya kigima askorende asaba waziri babetachorwa ni kominomo ambaro babete bagutigara elinde wizara eye ebegekwera kuri chinguma che kigenda tenga omugakara ire nere na irama bakagete anemono ase obo rayo obo bwekamati ishijaba waziri tema tinki kera abego kwanira anemone kero kugunga enseme kwa meria serikali abegekwa egetali anemono ase ensemeria yaba waziri
ekero opposition yakara to the government then that government has failed. Even that opposition is failing. Because who is going to oversight this? Because opposition is about oversighting.
Mora kwenza te banga te koleta serikali korosi serikali ngare koleta Kenya bonsi amo.
Serikali yengare kere korosi wa tigatora te biuna ki sababu yagera bako cha monereri ye. Kwarorire. Buna nako tebi. It is because abantu bako chora na boka. Abantu bako chora their relatives, their friends. If you don't have a relative who is a MP, who is a minister, who is a PS, a director, who is heading a parastatal, how can you get a job? It is because we are not sincere to ourselves. That is why all these problems are there. That is why corruption is there. Equal opportunity. Yeah? Where when the field here is central. That everybody nabako so buga ko mupira, everybody nabako benefit out of there, everybody nabako be considered in anything. To employment, it is transparent. Employment, it is to anybody who is qualified, not about relatives. Bona tori kanyora umuntu buna bona gusena abaskari muskari monno ke gancho abana babu habon spia baro because ago choimukio karaki uira okwanyora umuntu parastato isago kora abantu bamu habon they are there because abari gereti nabuo ai bete kabere chini njikoreti nchiyo kere kabire ngao ya echa ya babungorora korwo. That is not the Kenya we want. We want a Kenya that everybody is valued, everybody is given equal opportunity. Not that if I'm not from a certain community, I will not get a job because the head of that whatever the institution is from a certain community. So even I live applying that I will not be given that person a Aromonto or a tribal. Let us not think about tribal, we think about Kenya, and we think about on how we can improve this Kenya, on how everybody can get an opportunity to get a job, to get a promotion, to do what, to prosper, to get business. I can't get a tender, I can't get a tender, I can't get a tender, that is not the Kenya we want. It's not the Kenya Riboronge, it's not the Kenya, on your nase, on your nase, was in accounting I 5%, 5% here factored according to the law. On Yankee count 5% here factored in terms of employment, in terms of business, in terms of everything, in terms of nominations and everything. Tutageti Kenya, kusentutaiti as to Sarichiko into Abanyanto ready. Those people who made this law, those people who prepared for this constitution, and I believe this our constitution is the best worldwide, the best. But is it fully implemented? Implementation no have a problem. The constitution is okay. People who are implementing it, that's where the problem is. A constitution yaito, but we don't follow. So, for example, minister, minister, Kenyans. It will never. One of them from that tribe. 42 tribes. We have within 50 PSS. You list those 50 PSS, you will get only 2 tribes. Like you dominated in that list. Does it mean that we are not Kenyans? Does it mean that we don't qualify? Does it mean that we are not supposed to be given? Does it mean that because we are from other tribes? Did I invite my mother to be married? Here in Kisii, is not married in Kalenjin. It's not married in Kikuyu, Turkana. Yeah? It is not by choice, even the president to come from a Kalenjin community. It is through God's grace. Yeah? So, me being a Kisii does not mean that I cannot be given equal opportunity in terms of employment, in terms of the business, in terms of anything that I'm not supposed. I'm not supposed to get a job, a contract, and so many other things. I pay tax the way those people pay tax. We don't have second-hand Kenyans. We have original Kenyans.
Yes, so Mheshimiwa Victor Omondo Miyenda. Good morning from Nairobi West. Pamoja naenda kuwatu Moroberi Wensakia Imambi ya Abono. Ben Andrew kutoka Nairobi hadi mwisho ime Moroberi Wensakia asemambi ya Abono na Boygondo Chinga. Abuna abanga banda tukubuata Moroberi Wensakia Imambi ya Abono unataka watayumwanchi Mulionezi TV tubuati na boygo sanga ni tuwetera ase enchera yemitanda. Tojuko kora simambi ya Abono. Umurai Wense Dr. William Ruto itukurego na bata wesoki vene na watebanga. Yeisanire nga ono yabere ngego isatebanga akaba rangilia basaba ase chinkwana mbabeti bawe soki mutanda OX akaba rangali bagatama tima tinga nkyora ukwanira ndemono igure chinkwana chimurai basatanga bono isanire njera kiye teyo araje ko banjiranga bakikogenderanga no kurubeka noko kwaba asenge njobono enze icyo ya Kenya yayikerere bona ase wenrate bono kora waneri chiko ngero kwandrenga
president tari yero koruri bagari kwandamana bagari kwandamana erikorugu ne katiba ya Kenya. It is constitutional. That's why you saw when the acting inspector general of police tried to bar the demonstrations in CBD. It was quashed by the court. That is unconstitutional for an individual to touch and very special strong article in a Kenyan constitution. It is their constitution that the demonstrations, picketing, assembling, it is allowed in law. So there is nothing like you say you don't want it. Then go back to the constitution, amend it, go for a referendum that we want to abolish this article, and which is so difficult. So Monta, you've got the powers. You will suspend an article in a constitution. Not even an act of parliament that can touch that article. Not even an act of parliament. Not anybody. The president is not above the law. The law is well written, well prepared in a Kenyan constitution. So there is nothing like that. and if oiso konya kotebia mwana ki tokune yenteke omwana wirtachi diaro rengi kaba kwarari egento na gotebi kere problem in this country no boiri bwabucha obukabira ne bintu ebinge bosenzi obonge. That is why abantu bakwenda para noroche egento getakiri number 1 na arusi ki minister ekichinda ire netie kitika kigenda isiko number 2 obo PS yobo wa kwisiko bwensi ogochoru buya ko regionally balanced number 3 ekwere nde akwisiko bed of parastatals kionski akwisiko bachore buya babe komo gusi babe komo turukana babe komo luya babe komo mogiriama babe komo gere tari abantu bande babere bo kabako bakorani ekwere nde ngana bako babe kabute konyare kana bantu mbagwancha ekero kurugabo bamanye kwa percentage iri rule by youth bona mune kwende ya kwende Minister of Youth and Gender and whatever okonyora no mugako bwate emyaka emioro norote let them give to youth let 5% ever absorbed whatever they are doing ba observe kwende hiyo ni ya 5% let the disability baba ekwe the youth women and if oise konyora no ene kwenda parliament is unconstitutional bono it's not well balanced gender even there is a Supreme Court ruling yare goteba bunge bunwe ekwende chake buya because that the nini stands. If today I go to court I'll challenge it ntebe can this parliament be disbanded ebe constituted buya buneta kire gender etokoro not the way ebintu bibire yani masarakata igo ekatiba tubugatengia bantu baye bako implement komonto goswa no boibi yarengereti kine nke yarengereti tanyuriti bakenya bari bamachorete tanyuriti bantu baba mochorete abana inchi taba inyoreti no comment yesire. Let us go back to the constitution. What does the constitution state about this etakire kobaiga bibeiga sigichi to gochirora oboibi bosire. Like now I was arguing the other day, why do we have a women rep okurue pasari? Why do we have a MCA okurue pasari? Why do we have MP okurue pasari? Why do we have a governor okurue pasari? Monto te kurue pasari weka no mo senator. Bueno eno mo tureti na anyo rata baba te kurue pasari. Na no mo chief bueno te kurue pasari. Why don't you abolish all these things? Bring all those monies, consolidate with the capitation and the other grants that comes from outside, make education to be free from primary to the university. Because most of this money they are stolen. People erect false schools. They allocate money from there. They allocate money there. Then they went. Then they goes back on the Kwerende. Like last time, people went and took money from Topia's schools. Chitayo. Why nkibona toko kore bikori binge ngabono ngoyo arwe pasari kaire no muchibu aru kaino musabichibu kaino modiyo modisi mo uturete nsari nena mwaru kusinena bantako gambera kero muntu mwaru chibe sankingi education etabera bosa corruption yebe cap
ebiro nikomete kominyoka kigima nabo okuba gukubwatuka ingana yo mwelio aze emambi yabono aze nchira bene yo chukuru muruberi yo wensakia emambi yabona
abagusiba minto mbiya mono asoko tegera muruberi yo ensaki oja kera litukoria kera lituko ya Jumatatu mwategerera mbiya mono marari na ende mbiya mono asa ndis TV yaito mwatio ni ndis TV no amanganare no kirento kire namba 2 omoske Julius Migosio gamba twagotakira maya ase roli ekwa irwe na ende twagosabira maya ocho amangana vetting egochire buya ni manyete nga tobwatike mo akende kiragero tochorwa na bari bako insight nga Migosi tari mwari mutariki Migosi na bako igwe sukuru asomi ingi Migosi ata asomi sukuru Migosi ta asomi low school takana ne college asomi umwarimu no mwarimu what matters na kiora irense na ende actually a minister ngendo ke koreke nene abantu mbaro experts mbaro amo surrounded bako make policies no ko oversee these policies was chabere implemented enambende abagusiba minto nche no munyaribari mochaka gotebanga omunyaribari ne ng'urirwe kerogo omogetutu wairwe. It's not about your nyaribari, it's not about your getutu, it's not about your chari, it's not about your basi, it's about your machoge, not about your girango. It is about omogusi na etwe kerogo yani to isaneke igo omogusi okorek oirwe mwaga kama joguna etu agusabira maya ai wakora naye ngwakora asi watema nkwanyara na eto gusabira maya so abagusi mwens na basabira maya mutigare buya nyasa barende nandi nakwandi abagusi bonspi na nyago kwani my father in law karongo nyago chaga nakwandi father in law yane councilor Samuel Maobe no mongina Batsheba nakobyara ari nyabitunu na ino nabakwaniri n'abantu bonse bayiburi bane abana bane all people biyamono Nyasaye abaseseni n'abantu baminto oversight Nyasaye abaseseni mokore gasibuya no musene toitonero totenere so oversight nere tinkomweba Nyasaye abaseseni biyamono na ende biyamono sana
bemono mwishimia so ikarana ime ya Ndizi TV mambi ya bono teva litukolio mwana nento kwali netivene ase umuroberi ogwensaki mwanchu Ndizi TV niko tuwabeto gusanga nere omuske Vincent Gekone anemono ora sense milie kumulikira obukoreri ase chiserekali chichi county naboigo anemono kurilinga ebintu muronge bire bose ebintu byachire buna etawenda timbya ona so ikarana se umuroberi ogwensaki mambi ya bono terane nkoro kwa Job Maangi nere Frida Kirubo netoto chaka nere umuroberi ogwensaki mambi ijabono asanga ngalibaga lya bene gusanga no mogeni oito boigo abiganya nchama nero bakore cyacibicechi boigo namalyogi abewekera asenchera iyo bigero wikali tkolinde nabagane iri burere obuya ime Ndizi TV nabo bwansu bomusi twara litukoligia umwanchu omurirelia
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi. Omurigereria bwe television ya Ndizi TV nigo tugukwiraniria ngambia muno asoko genderera guturigireria na gutusira kira rituko asemerubirio yaitu yonsi chinsemero ngeberelenge bono onye kendegia korekanire aseke nyurukiao ekiota geto tumanye asubwango mono abonda isi veke nambeye asese miao enoti isano na ibere inya isato isano nemo ibere isato isano na isato isano na ibere eyemo elioto akere nabasaki baito baikasure na kubeko